Hi everyone! For this video, come and cook with me. First step is to rinse and blanch raw peanuts. So guys, nawala yung binlanch ko yung peanut after rinsing. Di ko alam kung anong nangyari. Dito, I'm infusing the garlic and chili na sa oil. Kanina ko pa nilagay yung garlic nung hindi pa mainit yung oil para lasang-lasa. Mag-infuse talaga yung aroma and flavor ng garlic and chili sa oil. Kasi dito sa oil na to, dito rin natin lulutuin yung mani. Nung medyo nag-brown na yung garlic, hinango ko na siya kasi very delicate ang garlic. Mapatalikod ka lang, bigla na yung masusunog, kaya ingat sa pagluto ng garlic. Dito, piniprito ko na or inaadobo ko na yung ni-rinse natin and binlanch natin na peanuts. And ayan, and people, it is very important to drain some oil. Pero wag naman yung sobrang walang-wala ng oil. Kasi ako, mas gusto ko yung medyo may pagka-oily pa siya, but not much naman. And for the next step, and my favorite step, of course, seasoning. I will be adding some red pepper flakes. Ayan. And then, I also have chili powder. Tas merong iodized salt, of course. Sugar or Ajinomoto. Ano ba yung bechin? Ikaw bahala kung anong preference mo. And ayan, just mix everything together. And it's so delicious and so perfect! Tara na guys, tikman nyo na yung mani ko! Charis! Thank you for watching! Bye!